Here are 7 settings to change on your Samsung Galaxy Watch to improve battery life. First is to make sure Wi-Fi is turned off. Wi-Fi is useful when needing to download apps and music faster, but otherwise will quickly drain your smartwatch's battery if on. Since your watch doesn't need Wi-Fi as it can just use battery-friendly Bluetooth to connect to your phone for information, you can safely turn off Wi-Fi without much of any impact on your experience. Turn off Wi-Fi by going to Settings, Connections, Wi-Fi, and make sure it is off. Next is decreasing the screen timeout time. From Settings, go to Display, then Screen Timeout. You can reduce this down to 15 seconds. That is, the screen will stay on for 15 seconds before going to sleep. By reducing the amount of time the screen stays on, we save a bit of battery. Third is turning off Always On Display Mode. Always On Display Mode, or AOD, keeps a simplified watch face screen on when the watch goes to sleep. Since, as the name implies, the screen is always on, this leads to significant battery use. Turn off this mode by going to Settings, Display, then turn off Always On Display. With this off, you will need to wake the display to see what time it is. And on the topic of time and watch faces, if you're looking for a new watch face for your Samsung Galaxy Watch, consider my watch faces. All of my watch faces use the new battery-efficient watch face format, minimizing the impact on your watch's battery life. Find a link to my watch faces in the video description. The next battery-saving tip is to turn off Raise Wrist to Wake. By default, you can quickly wake the display by raising your wrist. This is a very useful feature, especially with Always On Display off. However, it can use up battery from the times your screen is accidentally turned on from you just moving your arm. Turn off this feature by going to Settings, Display, then turning off Raise Wrist to Wake. Fifth is turning on Power Saving Mode. This mode saves battery by turning off several features we've already discussed, including turning off Wi-Fi, Raise Wrist to Wake, Always On Display, as well as limit CPU and background activity. It also decreases brightness and screen timeout. To turn on Power Saving Mode, go to Settings, Battery, and enable Power Saving. You can also turn on additional power-saving features to save even more battery, called Limit Health Features. With Health Features limited, your watch will save battery by turning off several health tracking-related features, such as background heart rate alerts, auto-workout detection, and other background measurements. From Settings, go to Battery, make sure Power Saving is enabled, select Limit Health Features, and enable this feature. The 7th battery saving option on your Galaxy Watch will save the most battery, giving you multiple days of battery life, but at the cost of your smartwatch now just being a watch. Watch Only mode is a mode of your Galaxy Watch that basically disables all features of your smartwatch and will just show the current time for a few seconds when you press the home button. To enable this feature, go to Settings, Battery, select Watch Only, and then turn on. And to clarify, this mode disables all the smart features of your watch, so you will not get notifications, step tracking, custom watch faces, nor any other fitness or smartwatch features. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.